So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. A lot of you guys are facing issues on Vertex AI Labs because that is down and having some glitches. So it is about all, whether you are arcade participant or not, the Vertex AI are facing issue. So here for the arcade games, these two labs, basically the TensorFlow Quick Start and Reinforcement Learning, are having issues. So what you can do, you can report to the support team and request them to mark it as optional or get it fixed as soon as possible, because it will be ending soon. So how you have to do, you have to click on this question mark and you can see the email support is being shown on the left side of the screen. You can report it, and after that they will either remove the required tag, and once the required tag is removed, you'll be able to complete the lab just by doing the remaining labs except those two, and you should report them. And for the solutions for all the arcade games are here. You can check the playlist by playlist, and also do join the Telegram channel. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.